I just got to ask this question. How do I get my skills to show up on different sections of my LinkedIn profile, like my experience section and volunteer, et cetera, et cetera? I want to show you how to do that in this video. So if I come down here, you'll see in my experience section under my main role at Burriss Consulting, you see I have the skills listed of LinkedIn Sales Navigator, LinkedIn Training, and Business Networking. You see under Google Workspace, I don't have any skills listed, but under LinkedIn Webinar, you can see I have LinkedIn Training and Business Networking. Now, how did I get that there? By the way, you'll also notice under Education, I don't have anything. License and Certificates, I have nothing. Volunteering, nothing. Displays, let me show you what you can do. First of all, you hit Edit on the Skills section, hit the Edit pencil. Now you go to individual skills. Let's go to social media consulting. I hit the pencil to edit. Now where do I want that to show up? I want that to show up on Burriss Consulting, my main role. I want it to show up on my webinar work. I want it to show up on career transition. Now I also want it to show up under licenses and certificates. I want it to show up under, where is it? My Camtasia, using LinkedIn as a business tool. There's another one I'm looking for. Building an integrated online plan. Let's do that. Now, where else do I want it to show up? I want it to show up under career coaching. I want it to show up under my YouTube playlist and my Coursera, maybe Greensboro Library, yes, and Triad Coaching, yes. Now, I've written down where I put this skill, social media consulting. Now let's go see where they show up. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to come out of skills. I'm going to hit refresh real quick. Now let's see where they show up. First of all, experience section. Go to experience section, social media consulting. Actually, it shows up before business networking under my Burriss Consulting and under webinar, social media consulting. And that's the only place they show up. That one shows up. Now, I didn't put it under education, so it's not there, but I did put it under license and certifications, and I put it under using LinkedIn as a business tool and Camtasia. Let's look at all of them. This is interesting. I put it under Camtasia, and I put it under using LinkedIn as a business tool, and it does not display on certifications. If I click on it, what happens if I click on that? It's going to go to the website. I don't want to go to the website. I expect to see it there. Let's come out of license and certificates and let's go look at something else. Let's look at volunteering. Now on volunteering, I put it under career transition coach. Let's go look at that. Career transition coach. It doesn't show up under volunteering either. And I know for a fact that under Veterati, I put LinkedIn training in. That's not there either. Let's come out of volunteering. Let's go look at publications. Where's publications? Publications. I added it under YouTube channel. So I hit see all. There's my YouTube playlist called LinkedIn Help. It's not displaying there either. It may be associated with it, but LinkedIn does not display it. On desktop, I need to go check on mobile as well. But let me look also under projects. Let's come out of publications. Let's go look at projects. So projects. Under Greensboro Library, see more. It doesn't display there either. Remember, I associated it with that, but it doesn't display. And the last one is organizations. I also connected it to Triad Coaching Connection, and it doesn't show there. So the bottom line, the only place that I have discovered that your skills will display, besides the skills section, is in your experience section. Right here they are, skills are there, and skills are right there. They may be associated with organizations, projects, publications, volunteer, licenses, but it doesn't show up on the screen. Now let me look at mobile real quick. Give me a second. I'll look at my cell phone. Mobile aligns with the web page on desktop. Skills will only show up in the skills section or the experience section associated with different experience entries, but not with the other sections. So why do we align them there? And then the big question is, who can see that on our behalf? So bottom line, add your skill sections to your experience. That's probably the most prevalent way of displaying your skills beyond simply the skills section. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.